What's good, YouTube? It's Lex, also known as Wavy Creatures, and today I'm giving you guys how I deep condition my hair. So, first and foremost, I don't do the normal shampoo, rinse, deep condition, rinse, and then style my hair. I wash one day, I deep condition another day, and I do a hot oil treatment once every 2 weeks. So, today I'm gonna show you all about my process. Alright? Let's go. Come on. Actually, just wait there. I'll go get the stuff. Okay, I'm back. And I got all the tools that I need to do. Fuck, I forgot one. Alright, so in order for me to start my deep conditioning method, well, it's not really a method. I just deep condition my hair. But first things first, we gotta unrag. Gotta unrag. I'm tired of this wolf. I'm ready for it to be gone. I cannot wait. But I got like a week and a half. So first things first, this is normally what I do when I deep condition my hair. I comb backwards. So yeah, I see that length, right? Look. Keep combing against the grain, right? Yes, yeah, peep that. Alright, so then I'm gonna comb my hair back down, right? Simply like this. Nothing too crazy. Just comb it back down. Alright, next step is you need some water, because you gotta wet your whole head, but don't OD, just wet it, like the top of it, the backs, the sides, but don't let it like seep all the way down, because you don't need to do all that. You just want to wet the top layer to get it wet. So let's add some water. So as y'all can see, I wet my hair. And then that's when you apply the deep conditioner. Well, the conditioner. And today I'm using this. And then you want to apply the conditioner, but you want to use a lot. A lot. So I recommend you don't use your favorite one, or if you do use your favorite one, make sure you have an extra one. So I have 2 of these already, so I'm gonna go ahead and OD with it. Okay, now that I've applied a generous amount of conditioner, y'all know what I'll do next. If you know me, comment right now what I'm about to do. If you know me, if you know what I do when I put products in my hand and stuff like that, comment right now what I'm about to do. You see this? For anybody that replied, wash hands, you know what's up. I don't like products in my hands to sit. But yeah. Next, I got this like shampoo brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and massage my hair like that. Like a scramble wash. So now that I've done that, we're gonna go ahead to this good old warmer bag. We're gonna put that on my head. But if you don't have a warmer bag, you can put one of these shower caps, excuse me. But I like to put 2 of something. Someone once told me it just creates all that heat so it can seep into your scalp. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use my good old warmer bag because I don't have 2 shower caps, and I'm gonna just like this. There we go. And last but not least, you're gonna put a winter hat on it. So y'all know I'm stylish. This is a brief hat. But you gotta put a hat, and this is what's really gonna make your hair heat up and take well to the conditioner. So now I recommend you do all this in the house, because once you hit this stage, you're gonna look crazy. You look crazy. Like, I can't go outside like this. It's the middle of the summer. So what I'm gonna do is, I gotta put a timer on for an hour. I usually leave it in for an hour. It doesn't matter the time, as long as it's 30 minutes or more, I'd recommend. So I'm gonna leave it on for an hour, then I'm gonna wash it out, show you guys what I do. But in the meantime, you know, you can just chill in the house, clean the house. Don't really matter. Yeah. A1! Give me that, rough. Alright, so now this has been in my head for a little over an hour. Now I'm gonna rinse. Yeah, that's what we about to go do. We about to do it. There we have it. I done rinsed the conditioner out. And my hair is now got these little natural curls up top. And I'm gonna put it back to waves. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Make sure you subscribe and give it a like. Also share this video with someone that you think, you know, should deep condition their hair. But for now, I gotta go tame this wolf and get it back to waves. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video.